So now I'm going to show us how we can set up our workspace on MUSIK browser. As you can see, I just installed MUSIK browser, and if you want to give this permission of notifications, that's totally good for you, but I will say no, thank you. So as you can see, we're in the MUSIK browser homepage. This is where you can access your extensions, and there is no extension because we just installed this app, right? So first of all, I would love, what I usually like doing, I go to settings and I activate the settings whereby all the sites are viewed in what they call it, in desktop, as in viewed as a desktop site. You understand? There's a mobile view and a desktop view. Why I prefer desktop views is that most of these airdrops are usually the websites are usually meant to be accessed by PC. But for the fact that most of us do this with our smartphones, be it Android or iOS, some of these websites might reject us because of the web view, you understand? But when you activate this desktop view thingy, it kinds of help us to access those websites, you understand? So as we are done as activating that, so after activating that, any websites we check now or any website we go to will appear in its desktop form. So the first thing you have to do, if you remember, is to log in your Gmail in this browser, just as you would on your PC. So search for gmail.com. Now I usually recommend Gmail because it's widely acceptable over different airdrops from different places. So when you search for gmail.com on the MUSIK browser, this is what it looks like. I don't know why it looks like this, but it works, right? So you click on this Gmail, Google, one of these, and take you there, and boom, as you noticed, it's now appearing how it would appear on your PC, be it a Mac or a Windows PC. Unfortunately, I don't use a Mac, but I do believe it should be similar, right? So you click on sign in, and then you enter your email, the email you're using for your airdrop stuff, and this is our email, right? So then you enter your password. Never not to forget your password, of course. It is important. And just like that, you've successfully logged your Gmail into this browser. Just like that. So with that out of the way, the next important account we have to log in is our X. That's formerly Twitter. I don't think I can successfully keep calling it X because I'm just used to Twitter now, As you can see, we've successfully logged in to our Gmail. Now you can also log into other mails depending on the one you use mostly, but I'll advise that you use your Gmail mostly because it's widely accepted. So in another tab, we will search for x.com. X.com, Twitter.com. God, I miss Twitter. And if the email you logged in here is the same email you used to create this X account, it will be way much easier to log in your X account anytime. As you can see, sign in as us, airdrop family. So you don't need to go put in your password and everything again. You just have to sign in using your Gmail. But if the Gmail you plan to use is not the same Gmail that you signed in, it's easy. You just go put in your email and put in your password, right? So, but if it's better to use the same Gmail site to be this easy, seamless in connecting them. And just like that, we have logged in our X into our MUSIK browser. They usually ask for your X account, your Discord account, and in rare cases, your Telegram account. So that's why we're trying to endeavor to log them in here, so it to be seamless, you understand? So with that out of the way, we are logged in to our X. Now, The third thing we need to do is Discord. As I said, Discord is one of the platforms that most airdrops try to connect with to verify your identity. So click on Discord login. After then, click on discord.com. And then it takes you to the Discord website. Now, if you have accessed this website as the mobile view, it will force you to want to go to the Google Play Store to download the Android app. But now we switched to the desktop view. You can see that it's giving us a chance to open Discord in a browser. So click on the login button up above. So now when you click on the discord.com link, you'll be taken to this login page. And then you input your login details for your Discord account, which for us is our email and our password. Okay, now if you haven't previously logged in Discord on that browser, it will ask if you're a human being, check some usual stuff, then send a confirmation email to that your email. Then you now have to go to your email account to approve the login before you'll be able to log in on that particular browser. So with this, we have to find where this should be. Don't know what this is, but I'll try my best. And I'm right. I was right. So now they sent me an email to our Gmail code. Then we'll have to go to our inbox to access that mail to allow us to log in our Discord on this browser. Okay? And this is the email. Click on verify login. As you can see, IP address authorized. So then we go back to this page and click on login again. At this point, you can now have access to Discord on this browser. So just like that, we have successfully logged in Discord on this browser. So the next thing we need to log in or to put on this browser is our MetaMask extension and our Solana wallet extension. I use the Solflare wallet, but you could use any extension you possibly want. So MetaMask extension. Now MetaMask supports a lot of chains. It's an EVM wallet. I know some of you will be using Trust Wallet, but just feel free to use whatever suits you. But I recommend MetaMask. Alright, so then you click on Add to Chrome. Next thing we'll search for is the Solflare wallet. Now I know most of us will be a bit more accustomed with the Phantom wallet, but I rather use the Solflare wallet because I've been using it a long time now and it's been okay. So if you're gonna use the Phantom wallet, you're still free. There's a problem. Just make sure that you correctly import your wallet and you back up your seed phrase in somewhere safe. Put in the hard copy and the soft copy so that you can access it wherever you want or wherever you may be. And even MetaMask now supports Solana, so in case you want to try that out. Okay, you add your Solflare wallet, and with this you should be good to go. Now I believe we all know how to import our already existing wallet into these different wallets. If you don't, check my first video where I used Quetta browser to import already existing wallets. And if you don't have an already existing wallet, you can also check the video to see how to create a new wallet. One thing to have in mind as you're creating a new wallet is to keep your seed phrase safe, because that is the main access to your wallet. Even if you lose your device, you can actually access that wallet from another device via your seed phrase. But then if you lose your seed phrase, that is a bad way to go down. So do well to save your seed phrase in somewhere safe, both in hard copy and soft copy, right? Now, do well to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be alerted anytime I put new content on this channel. Also join us in our Discord, our Facebook, and our Twitter. Trust me, I'm not used to the X part. And I'll see you soon. Have a nice day.